beautiful digital display here, digital boards. There are arrivals. So train coming from Milan, Malpensa Airport, Milano Centrale. So you can see departures going to Milano Centrale 10:26 and Milano Airport Terminal 2 10:35, Chiasso 10:39. So Chiasso is S11 platform 17. So I have to take that now. So yeah, these are the different and this is a train station, Garibaldi, excellent with all the restaurants, cafes, and you can see exit, police everywhere. So we should be careful not to record any sensitive direct train. I have to change at Monza. First I have to go to platform 17, 10:39 I have a train, and Monza it will reach 10:56. So I have to change the train at Monza at 10:56. So now I have to go to platform 17. You can see Binari. Binari means platform in Italian. Biglietti. Biglietti means tickets. So Servizi means toilets. Both the terms are displayed in Italian and also English. So no confusion. Usita means exit. Okay. Via means via, like we use in India. So now I am going to Binari 17. So you see right side and left side are Binari 17. My train is at 10:39, but I have to get down at Monza. I have to remember that at 10:56, and I have to change the train. So always you have to check train number, time, and the destination, and our arrival point. So you can see S11 Chiasso 10:39, platform 17. So people are waiting here, which the not yet displayed platforms. So this is 15. So I am almost there. So that is 16. See how beautiful it is. Garibaldi station. No rubbish, no papers, nothing. They are maintaining very neat, and I can see police everywhere. So that means they are trying to secure the station. Oh, sorry. These are 16 and 17. I just missed. So I have the train is already there. So train is going this way. I will take a forward seat. So you can see train engine is facing that way. So I will select one beautiful window seat. Yeah, windows are not clean. So I just see it, but I can't record anything because they are not clean. So I will sit somewhere, window facing forward. So these are the popular trains like local trains, 10 odd. So we see them everywhere. The seats are excellent, but they have more stops compared to bullet trains. So this is a 7. This train I have taken so many times when I was here in 2018 to go to Domodossola, like Switzerland border. From Domodossola I used to go to Brig. So almost like from Milan, Brig is 2 hours. From Domodossola, that is border town of Italy, it is only 20 minutes to Brig. So from Brig we can go to Switzerland. Coach, see inside the coach, excellent seats, perfect. So not any rubbish in the train. So it is very good. Monza. My train has been delayed by 10 minutes, and I have missed a train to Lake Como. So now I have to wait for another 1 hour 50 minutes. So this is the problem with other countries. Switzerland, we never train comes, never becomes late, and also we don't miss any train in Switzerland. And even if we miss, immediately within 5-10 minutes we get another train. But here you see, I have to wait for 1 more hour. So I don't want to wait. I will change my plan. I will go to Chiasso, and from there I go to Switzerland, and return I can see Lake Como, because I don't want to waste too much time here doing nothing. Some good news, I have a train at 11:27. You can see 250, train number 25038. So it will come to platform 1. So that is going to Como S. Giovanni at 11:27. So I take that train instead of going to Switzerland. First thing is I have to do that Lake Como, and then I will decide after that. That is very, very important in Milan area. See the beautiful brown color building, its architecture. Excellent. Monza, I'm waiting for my next train to Lake Como, Como SG. So it is just waste of time here, 20 minutes. It will not happen in Switzerland like this. Sorry, I'm not criticizing Italy, but here train frequency is less. So I'm sorry to say, yeah.
Historic villas, Villa Carlotta, Tramezzo, famous for its botanical garden and art collection. Villa del Balbianello, iconic villa seen in Star Wars and James Bond. 3, enjoy local cuisine, vegetarian options available. Try risotto.
Como S. Giovanni, Lake Como stop. So it is S11. S11 means like suburban, I can say. So excellent train, double decker. So I will try to sit in the top deck as usual. So I think it's only 30 minutes journey from here. Upper deck. So I am sitting in the upper deck as usual. Excellent train. So I am sitting here. I will show you where I am sitting for next 45 minutes. This is the seat with window forward facing. This is a beautiful station just below the mountains. So this is Como SG, Como San Giovanni station. So this is the place where we can visit Como city, Bellagio, other places in Lake Como. See a beautiful park with big trees. This is just in front of Lake Como SG train station. I am going to Lake Como. From there in the lake I spend some time there and I take a ferry trip to Bellagio and other beautiful towns around the lake. There are several towns around the lake. There are several stops around the lake, several towns like south or west, but I will see at least Bellagio, couple of towns, Bellagio and other town. So that is my plan for Lake Como, because if I have time, still I want to visit villages around Chiasso. So Chiasso is in Switzerland. So from Chiasso I can travel anywhere in Switzerland with my Swiss pass. I can travel by buses, ferries, trains, so everything. So at the moment, this is beautiful town, Lake Como, not Lake, it is just Como. So now I have to see where I have to go for lake. I will ask someone. It's Sunday. Tickets for most boats sold out. So we have to stand in this queue. It's a very big queue. Next boat is like local. It goes in 1 hour and come back here 1 hour in 1 hour time. So it is at 1:15, one boat and 1:45. So for that also it is a big queue. The next first boat to Bellagio is at 3:10. So that also sold out. So I am next. I just will go back to Chiasso or Switzerland. In Switzerland we don't need to wait in the queue. Just with Swiss pass we can enter the boat and enjoy the boat ferry. Here it is totally different. Looks like even tickets are not available online. So and Saturday, Sunday we should not come here. We should always avoid. We should come on working days. But tomorrow I don't want to come. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow I have to spend time in Milan. So I never explored Milan. But I can see Lake Como from here, distance. So it is not looking as good as, like I'm saying, water. Like in water in Switzerland, like Geneva, Zurich Lake or Bringe Lake or Thun Lake, Lake Lucerne. But this is one of the famous ferry trips to Bellagio and other towns, maybe 3-4 towns on the Lake Como.